Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Harpa AI, and I'm going to give you a lesson that how you can use Harpa AI in creative way. Actually, Harpa AI is a powerful browser extension that transfers your web browser into an AI powered assistant designed to automate tasks, enhance productivity and streamline online workflows. Compatible with browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, and Brave, it integrates multiple advanced AI models, including OpenAI's GPT-4o and Anthropic Claude 3.7, Google Gemini 2.5, Perplexity, and the DeepSeek also. So it will combine all the AI's data. So if I talk about the key feature of this Harper AI, then the first key feature is AI powered web automation, and another thing is multimodal integration, so access various AI models like this I have just already told you that about that. So and the contextual AI assistance, customizable automation, privacy and security. So for that, if you want to install Harper AI or use Harper AI, then you have to simply click on this button here, app dashboard. Actually it's showing me app dashboard, but it will show you that download extension or get extension. So if you don't have this extension, so it will just redirect you to the Google web store, and it will show you like Harper. Let me show you Harpa, not this actually, Harpa. Yes, Harpa AI, and it will show you like this. As you can see, I have already added this Harpa AI extension on my Chrome browser. Here it is. So it will help you a lot to extract different types of data from website and different types of images from any platform actually. So it could be a perfect, and it could be so much useful tool for someone that need, like I'm on this web page here. This is actually a kind of web page where they sell t-shirts. So if I want to get details about this website, then like this extension, you just need to click on this icon, this puzzle icon. This is actually the extensions icon. Then you have to open the Harpa AI, or you can just simply click on Alt plus A together, so it will just run the Harpa AI extension on your browser. So in AI you will find this section. You can just capture the view, you can search the web, you can get the explanation about this web page, you can ask the page here and summarize about this web page here, you can extract data from this web page, you can repurpose page, you also can rewrite any article. If you just capture that article, you can write a reply also. Now let me show you something one by one, like capture view. So if you click on it, it will allow you to capture any view from this one. Now after capturing the view, here you can see it has just captured the view. So you can see this capture view is running. Now you can just write anything, like anything I have just sent it to here. So it will just open up the options that you can use, the features you can use, that find and fix mistakes, solve test. If you are on any web page that are actually you are giving test, then you can just go with this one, so it can help you to solve the test. Then reply, you can reply to any of question, you can get a reply. If you have any question in a web page or in this capture, if there's any question, then you can get the reply here. Then example and simplify, you can get example about this web page, and it can simplify all of this. Actually if it's like complicated things, about any complicated things, then it will explain it to you and simplify the topic for you. It will also rewrite and fix the tone for you. If you want to use the text, it will also complete the writing. If there's any mistake or if something needs to be added on this article, then it can also complete the writing. It can translate the the article. If it is there, then it can extract the text. You can extract text from this image that you have captured right now. So if I click on extract text, then it will start extract testing. Here you can see, I'm sorry, but I'm not able to view images or screenshots. Here you can see it is actually for images actually. So let me go to any page like Medium. So I'm here in Medium, so start reading here. So I'm going to continue with Google. So let get into like this. Yes, continue and create an account. So I have just created account in Medium. So or it is time consuming actually. Let me show you in first as a Reddit actually Reddit. So I'm on the Reddit now, like anything like for question and answer. If I on question and answer, and here you can see something. So this could be a better example. So I'm going to open it again. Now I'm going to search the web. Here you can see some specified. It has just specified the features that actually allows in Reddit, or in this section you can find there's another look. Here you can see, if I just click on it about here, and I have just click on that this one here, and here you can see some capture view. But in this Reddit you can actually capture the view here. So you can get the explain or post idea if you want. So it will show you the features that related with the web. So it will differ bit according to the web page here. And from here, if I go to like any, if it has any article, then I want to go to that article here, but there's actually no article right now. So let me show you something actually. So programming actually, so like anything, I have just uh, get this at the randomly, and I have just let's see what it show us in this section. Yes, it can give me a full feature here. So I can just capture the view here, the medium of the medium here. So I'm going to capture it. This you can see that it has just it has just got the text here. So you can just you can click on anything, or you can avert it. You can avert, click on avert, or you can ask the question, or you can again capture the view here. So just like this, allow, and here you can see it has just we have just captured the skin view. So it is showing the example here. So like explain and simplify. So if I click on explain and simplify, it will show me something. It capture all of them, and it will just explain me that the of the problem, that the top article here you can see it is talking about the top article title, my favorite software architecture pattern. Here is my favorite software architecture pattern, and it has just explained a little about that. So I'm going to again next question here. I'm going to get the next question. I'm going to capture it again. So I'm going to extract the text from here. So if you click on extract text, it will show you how you can, here you can see that all of this text, all of this actually it has just extract all of the text from these screenshots. It's pretty much useful, right? Now let's move to another feature. Like I can show you all of this feature. I can actually explain you all of this feature in this single video. If you want more explained video about this Harpa AI, then you can just ask us, you can just tell us through our comment section. So don't forget to drop a comment that if you want more explained video about Harpa AI or not. Then you can extract data from here. You can ask page from here. Like I'm going to extract data from here. So that's how from here you can extract data from like contacts. You can tabular. You can extract the facts that this web page have, the to-do list if it is, and the SEO keywords also. It will also help you in SEO. So if I get the SEO keywords, so please paste article content. This actually you have to paste article content up to 3000 symbols or the 3000 word actually. So you just need to simply click on done. So you have to just, if I click on it now, there is let me show you. if there is 3000 article, yes, 3000 word, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Now I have just pasted that article here. So it is just asking me the in-depth actually. So I'm going to SEO keyword here. So if I say that SEO keyword here, SEO keyword, then it will show me the SEO keywords from, it will just give me all the SEO keywords that are useful from this text. Here you can see based on the text provided, here is the potential SEO keywords and phrases that could be relevant. So you can get the phrases and the SEO keywords from the text. So that's pretty much all of the most important and useful thing about the Harpa AI. And if you want the advanced guidance about the Harpa AI and more in details video, then you can just comment down about that you want a video for Harpa AI, so we can get to you. Thanks for watching this video. That's all for today, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.